Hi everyone, I'm Elizabeth Jackson, I'm the owner of Public Property Welcome. We're really happy to announce our Knockdown Rebuild program. It's a big deal for us. We've spent a long time looking for the right organisation to work with, and we're really happy to introduce you to Charles, our builder. Charles is an accomplished builder. We're actually standing in one of his robust builds here in Melbourne. Charles, welcome.
Thank you.
The emphasis for you, Knockdown Rebuilds, or are you doing other properties?
We're doing NDIS. We're doing the Knockdown Rebuilds. We are doing some order jobs. There is a variety of work coming through, but we are specialising in the more complex jobs.
That's really interesting. So tell me about your team that you have on the ground. You've got your own drafting team?
Yeah, we've got our own drafties. We've got the full package. Designers, NDIS specialists. They're all on board. They're all within our office. Our construction team, and I might be biased, but I think our construction team are probably the best there are certainly in Melbourne, Victoria. They've been together. The present team have been together for 6 years and over. They work very well as a team. They know each other. They help each other out. They're just a very good oiled machine. We've set up in Bendigo, but in consultation with our suppliers, in consultation with our key trades, we know they're going to go there. We know they're going there. These guys help us manage the sites.
You've got your own NDIS consultant working inside your organisation as well, so that gives you the ability to build in the NDIS space.
Correct, that's right. So NDIS, whether it's robust or high physical support, we know what needs to be done. We know what the end user needs in regards to the build. And we're especially aware of the timelines and how important they are to the SDAs. And we work in with the SDAs too, so we communicate with them throughout the build. If we take over straight away, the house gets demolished, it gets demolished on time, and it gets demolished properly. The land is presented properly for build.
Yes, the thing to note is that when you're looking at doing this, the client really just wants to say, please Charles, let you and your team do everything from this first initial consultation all the way through to handover.
Yeah, that's right.
Do you encourage the clients to come to site at the stages? How do you manage their experience through?
Yeah. We say to them, look, it is a building site, so you can't go in it by yourself because of occupational health and safety issues, and we need to abide and comply by those laws. So what they do is we encourage them, make an appointment with our site manager so he can walk you through. And generally it's around the frame stage, and once we've plastered and we've done our pre-paint inspection, we ask them to come through and have a look just to make sure that they're happy with everything. And then generally it's around just before we hand over. But look, if a client rings up and says, look, I'd really like to come and see how the tiles have come out, for example, just make an appointment with the supervisor or site manager, whoever we've got on that particular job, and they'll be happy to take you through.
In actual fact, it's not a regular thing. Some builders make it very difficult for people to have access to their sites. What's your build time frame? So from initial consultation and say demolition has been completed, when will the client expect to see a finished, and look, let's use this as an example, we're in a robust home, how long to hand this over?
There's two different time frames. This is a single story, robust, in Greenfields estate. And we say to the end users, the SDAs in this case, who's the client, we say to them, look, give us 6 months.
Okay.
Right, give us 6 months. It's got a demo involved, you've got the build, and we say to our clients, look, just factor in a year.
The other thing here too, with the Knockdown Rebuild, the aim for us is to take a property that really, it's an older property, it's got a very marginal rental return on it, and to have your team assess the property for an NDIS property and then engage in the process of having you take over and do the build. Now, if it's 12 months, it's 12 months. The fact that you've got a seamless operation which allows them to bring their property in and have it managed all the way through to fruition with participant placement, I mean, that's gold, Charles. 12 months for build, your own drafting team, participant placement at the end. Obviously, you've got a project manager that takes care of that.
Yeah.
We're really excited about working with you. Thank you so much.
Well, thank you, Elizabeth.
Appreciate it.
Thank you.